Well, hello again. Let's change the vehicle and anyways, today we're renting a car off the cliff with a truck. Let's pick the ETK I Series. Let's the TT Sport. I mean this one. Then let's get what? I just think it's nice. Well, there's some trees where I'm planning to rear-end it, so I might just rear-end it into the trees, but that's fine. But anyways, we're just rear-ending it with a truck. And so we're gonna get to the truck in a minute. We just need to position the car. Stand. Here's our rear-ending point. Here's the truck. It starts worldwide for great logics. Yeah, I think that's what it's. But anyways, we're gonna rent. And we've officially done it. And oh, look at it. Look how much it's crushed. Even got curled up a little bit. Anyways, let's wrap it up and goodbye.